Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 RAM. The T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 is equipped with a smart RGB IC controller that is compatible with lighting effects software. Gamers can design their own lighting effects and create an incredibly stunning RGB system. Supports the latest Intel XMP 3.0 and one-click overclocking technology. Users can experience ultra-fast overclocking speeds at a single click. The T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 delivers a refreshing visual experience and continues to offer the 120 degrees ultra-wide lighting and clean geometric silhouette. The Delta RGB DDR5 memory supports on-die ECC, which offers error correction and detection to ensure that system stability is not compromised for performance. The Delta RGB DDR5 memory is equipped with PMIC, minimizing noise interference and ensuring stable, efficient power distribution across all components for fast, reliable power supply. The RAM is compatible with both AMD and Intel motherboards, including the latest Z690 chip motherboards as well. Speaking of other features, these RAM sticks do come with addressable RGB lighting and support Intel XMP 3.0 for overclocking. Even the design of the RAM is quite appealing, as its build quality. On top of it, TEAMGROUP offers a lifetime warranty on its RAM modules. Our second best DDR5 RAM is Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM. Corsair Vengeance DDR5, optimized for Intel motherboards, delivers the higher frequencies and greater capacities of DDR5 technology in a high-quality, compact module that suits your system. Tightly screened high-frequency memory chips power your PC through faster processing, rendering, and buffering than ever, with onboard voltage regulation for easy, finely controlled overclocking. Corsair iQ software enables real-time frequency monitoring, onboard voltage regulation, and Intel XMP 3.0 profile customization. A distinctive solid aluminum heat spreader keeps your memory cool, while ensuring wide compatibility with a huge range of motherboards and CPU coolers. With a limited lifetime warranty as your guarantee of reliability for years to come, Vengeance DDR5 continues a long-standing legacy of memory performance. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is G.Skill Trident Z5. G.Skill is a well-known brand in the industry that you should definitely consider when building a high-end gaming PC. When it comes to design and build quality, thanks to its innovative design, there are no issues with heat management. If, on the other hand, you are an RGB fan, this RAM will not disappoint you because it comes with a beautifully diffused LED strip on top of the RAM DIMM. This Trident Z5 RGB series DDR5 memory is intended for overclocked performance on DDR5 platforms that support it. The Trident Z5 RGB series is the ideal choice for building a high-performance system, with a sleek and streamlined aluminum heat spreader design available in metallic silver or matte black. G.Skill includes 2 Trident Z5 RAM DIMMs with this RAM kit, for a total memory capacity of 32 GB. In terms of speed, the Trident Z5 runs at a maximum of 6000 MHz, which is quite fast for a high-end PC. Because this kit includes 2 RAM DIMMs, you will enjoy stable overclocking performance on any motherboard in a dual-channel configuration. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best DDR5 RAM list is Kingston Fury Beast CL40 DDR5. If you want a mid-range and effective budget DDR5 RAM, then Kingston is one of the best brands that you can check out, as it is trendy for selling high-end options at attractive prices. Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 memory brings the latest, cutting-edge technology for next-gen gaming platforms. Taking speed, capacity and reliability even further, DDR5 arrives with an arsenal of enhanced features, like on-die ECC for improved stability at extreme speeds, dual 32-bit subchannels for increased efficiency, and an on-module power management integrated circuit to provide juice where it's needed most. If you compare the price to performance ratio of this RAM option, it's one of the most interesting picks on this list. For such attractive pricing, the Kingston Fury Beast RAM offers you a total of 32GB DDR5 memory capacity along with a speed of 6000 MHz, which is quite commendable. The RAM even supports XMP 3.0 for overclocking and can be used with any motherboard of your choice. Although the base speed of the RAM is 4800 MHz, with overclocking, you can run them at 6000 MHz max, which is amazing. Apart from that, the build quality of the RAM sticks is pretty good, and Kingston even offers a lifetime warranty for this RAM kit. Our last pick is Corsair Dominator Platinum. Corsair is regarded as one of the best brands to consider when building high-end gaming PCs because it sells a wide range of high-end PC components. Corsair's vast catalog of PC components is best represented by the Corsair Dominator Platinum DDR5 RGB RAM. This package includes two 16GB DIMMs, each with a RAM speed of 5200 MHz and based on the latest DDR5 architecture. Furthermore, these RAM DIMMs are designed to work with all types of motherboards and perform well in all situations. Using the Corsair IQ software, you can not only overclock the RAM's performance due to XMP 3.0 support, but you can also play around with the RGB lighting to match it up with your other PC components. Furthermore, the software allows you to monitor the RAM's real-time performance. High temperatures will never be an issue for you because the RAM DIMMs include dedicated heat spreaders. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!